YouTube. This is Andrea here.
Another Andrea, hello.
Woo woo! Welcome to the Play With Me, y'all. I don't have my nails on, y'all, so do not even trip. I will do them next week. Alright, this is the week we're working on, which is May 6th through the 12th. Of course, the 12th is Mother's Day.
Yes.
So we don't want to forget about that.
No.
What we working with this time, Dre?
Simlish, which is a Sims-related kit.
So Sims is a game, for those who don't know, and
It's-
Simlish is a language,
Is
right?
their language, yes. The Sims language.
Awesome. Just 1 second. Sorry, I was watching a repeat of Game of Thrones and it's still good. Okay, so this is the main sheet. You have your ghost, your cheese sandwiches, your plum bob, your little alien head. Then you have your checklist, your boxes and your check boxes. And on this one you have your dinner, your clock, your shopping bags,
Icons.
your money bag icons. And then you have these right here. Now what do you call these?
Appointment labels.
Appointment
Or
labels.
quarter boxes.
Or quarter boxes.
It depends on what you use it for.
And she's going to go ahead and explain it all at once instead of me. Instead of going in between my words. This is Monday through Sunday. Small stuff.
Date headers. They're headers. Just to know.
Okay, and then we have our page flags, the little ones and the big ones. And here's the little deco, you guys. Look at the little boxer shorts. Cheese sandwiches. What's this, gas?
That's a whoopee cushion.
A whoopee cushion. That's so cute. It looks just like one, but I wasn't sure if it was like intestines or something.
No.
No. Alright. Then you have, what are these?
They're script icons.
Script icons. Those are so nice. And then of course your half boxes and some more appointment labels. And then your date covers. Nice. The other two things I'm going to be using as well are, these are
Plum bob bibbles,
Plum bob bibbles.
which there's bibbles with a plum bob on her head, and then just the plum bob itself.
So cute.
And that's the symbol that goes above the heads of the Sims in the games.
Adorable.
And then this is Facebook Dana. She's my newest character.
This is Dre's newest character, Facebook Dana. I love, love, love her.
She comes in 4 skin tones and 4 hair colors.
That's awesome.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, so I do have some appointments on just Monday. So let's get this together. Alright, I need
Your appointment bibbles.
my appointment bibbles. Let me grab those, guys. I didn't come prepared.
No, you just passed them.
Those are the big ones.
No, they're not. Those are the small ones.
These are?
Those are the small ones. I should know. No,
Okay.
these are. That's filming.
Alright. See, I'm going to see if I can fit 3 in there, and I think I can. I think I can. Let's start at the bottom, towards the left. Okay, before I do that, I need to cover this up. So, I got a piece of sticker paper. I just need to cut it down. And before I do that, I need to write down
The appointments.
the appointment so I don't forget. Because you guys know me and my brain.
I'm trying to think of something to talk about.
215.
My brain's not working well.
Her brain is fried from all that work she does.
Nice.
Alright, so I don't need it to be very big. There we go. That should work. Excuse me. Allergies have been real bad this spring.
Because of the wind. The wind's been awful.
Yeah, it has.
And with wind comes dirt and dust.
There we go. Well, that's why I like sticker paper, y'all, because you could just cover up stuff and keep it moving. And not, you have to use whiteout.
Yeah. This way you don't run out of whiteout.
Yeah, just run out of paper.
Well, it takes a lot longer for paper.
That's true. Okay, so do I want to start up here? I think I do. Start at the top.
You only fit 2 bibbles in that one.
I think
she's
I
so
could
big.
get 3.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think I can.
Okay.
Because they don't have to go.
Directly in the box? True. You can scatter them.
Like that.
Whoa.
See, guys? Ingenuity. It worked.
Oh.
Alright, so we've got Dre at 10. Then we got Dana at 12:30. Then we got Duran.
At 2:15.
Thank you.
Mhm.
There.
Nice.
I like that. Now that I got, those are the only appointments, so I don't have to worry about nothing else.
Mm-mm.
So let's go with the plum bob on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I can use all my stickers this time.
Yay.
Yeah. Yep.
Thank you. Thank you, Daddy.
So I hope everybody's enjoying Game of Thrones.
Nope.
For those of you watching it,
Yeah.
I can't wait for tonight's episode.
Please, no spoilers.
Whoops. I think I'm going to use these little boxes here, the half boxes, to go on top.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
A lot of sticker stacking today.
Yeah, stacking it up.
Nice. And it makes the boxes longer, the other boxes.
Yeah.
Because they each match.
Yeah.
Because you know me in color coordination. I have to.
I think it's nice because when you might have someone who does color coordinate.
Yeah.
So.
That's true.
There we go. This one I kind of babizzled. Let's try it again. Nope, didn't get any better, so I'm going to leave it like that before I ruin it completely. Then I'll put one into Saturday. And then Mother's Day, I actually wrote in pencil.
So no sticker paper for that one.
No. I can erase that and put it again.
Yes. I need holiday stickers, don't I? Like holiday bibbles?
Yeah. Or Holiday Faye or Holiday Dana.
Or holiday everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. I will have to get started on that. That'll take a bit, but it'll be fun.
And I'm going to try to do my best to do Facebook at least 3 times a week. 2 and 3. I need to learn how to do it every day, but sometimes I just get caught up in what I'm doing and I forget to go that day. So I'm going to try my best to make it so I at least go 3 times a week. And then we have our little
Plum Bob Bibbles.
Plum Bob Bibbles. We put her on Wednesday
Cute.
and Sunday. Yay, Plum Bob Bibbles. And then, now what is the purpose of the Plum Bob for those who don't know?
It pretty much designates which sim you're playing. If you have a family of sims, or if you have a bunch of, you're in a town or something, then it shows you, it's like a marker.
For who you are.
Yeah, and
Okay.
their emotions change with them, so their color of the plum bobs change. It's green for happy, red for angry, and then orange and yellow or something.
Oh, okay.
I don't really pay attention to the emotions, apparently.
We got a payday on the 9th. Yay.
Yay.
Okay, let's put our Monday through Friday stickers on. Otherwise known as
Date covers. Date headers.
date headers.
It's also date covers.
And Sunday.
Cute.
Then we'll put our little tiny itty bitty baby numbers on, and I don't have no nails on, so it's gonna be a struggle.
You might want tweezers.
Yeah. I'll just grab it with my nub. 6. 7. So this is the 6th through the 12th.
Mm-hmm.
I do like these little numbers. It makes it so clean.
Thank you.
Not like my writing.
Yeah, same here. My writing is chicken scratch to a T. If you looked it up in the dictionary, you'd see my handwriting next to it.
Chicken scratch.
Yes.
Drea's handwriting.
Yes. And if you have a payday sticker that you could put next to payday.
Yeah, I could, huh?
If you wanted
Stack
to.
it.
Or no, on top of the box.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's stacking if
Oh.
it goes on top of something.
Or layering, whatever.
Or layer, yeah. Let's use that word, layering. Excuse all the jewelry, y'all. I was in the middle of making
Jewelry video.
and said, ooh, we gotta do our planner.
Yes.
This is so cute so far. I love it.
I like it too.
So we have trash day on Thursday. So we'll put that like that. Cute.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
I do too. I like how you did it popped out
Yeah.
of the box. It's cute.
Yeah.
It makes it pop.
Dana is cute too. She's just sitting there being patient.
Mm-hmm. That's the kind of girl she is.
Yeah. Then we got payday.
Cute.
Then we have Sunday. Sometimes we do it early, but I'm just going to put it on this one here. Time to plan.
Yes. That looks really cute.
I love it. It's so adorable. Are we expecting mail this week? Yes.
Yes. You have a package or something.
We're coming on Monday.
Yeah, so you have a Happy Meal sticker.
Yeah. I have a Happy Meal sticker.
Monday is jam-packed because of all the
Yeah.
appointments.
There. So cute. And adorbs. Alright. I think that's it. I think that's it. Let me just double check. What do I do dishes?
Mm.
What's today? Sunday?
And today.
It's Monday?
So Tuesday.
So Tuesday. We'll put her down here for Tuesday, which means Thursday. Oh Lord, Thursday's getting packed.
It's not as bad as Monday.
Put that over there.
Tuesday, Thursday,
Right.
Saturday.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Here we go. Yay! See, I gotta be notified of when it's my turn, y'all.
So do I.
Otherwise, we just walk in there and go, whose turn is it?
Yep, and it's bad. It can be bad.
So I have shopping Fae. I just wanted to show you guys this. It's so adorable.
Grocery shopping.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put her down for Friday.
Thursday.
No, Thursday's packed.
Oh, true. But yeah, Friday.
Friday's better. Yeah, yeah.
Cute.
Isn't she adorable, guys? She's so cute.
I'm really big on the character stickers, if you haven't noticed. They're really fun to do because there's so many different varieties you can do.
And they're so
Unique.
unique, yeah. I think that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Here's the whole thing. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.